Good day, everybody. Brian here from quantlabsnet.com. In this video, I'm going to talk about doing live trading workshops. Some people have asked about it. So I put up a poll here. Price ranges from anywhere from 27 to over $100. You can tell there. Tiny amounts of people, which is not a problem. These are buyers, so expect that. Anyways, these are the type of topics people want to get covered. Which kind of surprises me. So the kind of comments people are looking at, or sorry, picks. So a couple of people are looking at software programming techniques with AI and latest trends. I post quite a bit about the different trends and coding techniques out there. Obviously, a lot of it's going to be based around AI. So, I mean, AI is transforming everything. So that would make sense there. Obviously, any of the programming examples will relate around trading or automated trading. This one's a really interesting one. Discretionary trading techniques for profit. So when I say discretionary, people want to learn how to trade via as a human, not with automation, which kind of surprises me. Goes against what I try to put out. But let me know if you want that still. The other two, I'm even more surprised with. No one's picked it yet. As you know, my number one choice for stuff, I would have thought for what I do is quant trading research with source code because I got lots of uh, stuff I can go through on quant trading with AI, provide those as source code examples, and trading market insights. I can understand why people might not be interested in that one. Going over the markets over a certain direction of the market. Okay, nobody's interested in that. I get it. But this one I'm kind of surprised with. Anyways, the whole idea here is just pick what you want because I'm interested to see what people want. I'm here to serve anyone based upon what they want. Um, but again, this is all, I guess, chargeable in a small amount. The format's pretty simple. Like I said, an hour, 2 hours presentation, Q&A, and then some kind of coding example if there's coding involved to make it available. Planning to ramp these up quite a bit. Um, you know, a couple times a week, in fact, because with everything AI can present stuff more frequently. And again, there's that live workshop component, which means it's a real person putting it on. I'm just curious to see if there's an interest and the price points as I've suggested. But let me know. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.